Welcome back, guys. Another type of post I want to work on is events. You can easily create events on LinkedIn as a professional, of course, because LinkedIn is meant for professionals. So I'll try and create an event. All you have to do is to start a post or click on the events button. Once I click on the event button, it brings me here and it says upload cover image for the event. I'll come to Canva to design my cover image. It's as simple as that. Designing your cover image is something that attracts like to the event you're trying to create. And let's just look for LinkedIn events right here. LinkedIn events right here, and having to look through this, I'm going to see like series of banner for event, and let's see what's the size. It says 16:9 recommended. Okay, well, so that's okay. I'll click on event and come here. I need something like 16:9. What I'm going to do now is to look for something that will fit into that. So what I'm going to do now is to click one of these to use for my event. Let me open this. I love the way it looks like what I'm seeing, and let's see if there's another one we can see. There's nothing else. All I have to do is look for presentation. Since it's 16:9 preferable, so I'll look for presentation and I'll take one of the presentation papers for the event, and let's see if we'll see something that we can work with. And yeah, we have this. I can work with this. Actually, I can work with this and I'll customize this. Then look at this as well. You can customize this as well. We're going to try to create an event with this is not looking bad, this is not looking bad as well, but we need to take one design to work on, of course. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this instead of this. I'm going to just work on this. Working on this now, what does it mean? I'm going to need something for a background, and what I have to do is to like bring one of my pictures in and say, let's see, okay, let me do something like this. Let me replace background. Okay, that is not looking so great. So what I'm going to do is to come back here and delete this. Okay, so let's just end the ropes of freelance. Let's say getting started with tech. Okay, getting started with tech, and here we have it. I'll input my picture here. So let me just put my picture here. All I have to do is to drag and drop it in, and the speaker, which will be me, of course, and I would just speaker. I would just click on beloved, and let me add the name as well. This is maybe Shuku. Okay, so I have something like this, and I'll pick a date. Let me check my calendar to pick a date for it. So we can pick like a Saturday, or let's pick like a next week Saturday, 20th. Let's pick like 20th. That will be June 20. June. Okay, sorry, we are in April 20, 20th of April 2024. 20th of April 2024, which will be 8. Let's make it like in Saturday 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So I'm going to just do it this way, and I'll have my chat GPT open. So I have this open as well. All I have to do is to LinkedIn events, and this is the banner for the LinkedIn event. I'm going to have this downloaded. I'm going to download it right here and say in JPEG, and I'm going to download that. Then coming back to my chat GPT, I have this, and here we have it. I have to close this since I've designed the banner for the event. I'm going to upload the banner for the event right here. I'm going to click on downloads and open this, and here we have the banner for the event, which is looking so great. So far so good. I'm going to apply that. So having to apply this, we're going to say this should be online. The event format should be online, and it can be LinkedIn live, stream from a third party to attendees join on LinkedIn to watch and comment. So we can make it a LinkedIn live event, of course, and let's say event name would be, let's say, getting started with tech, and I can put it in a bracket, and the time zone should be West African, like +1. Let's check for that. Let's see if we'll see any +1. So we have West Central Africa right here, and will be start date will be 20th of April, and it will be around 1 p.m. 2 p.m. Yes, yes, 1 hour. Then the description. So I would come to ChatGPT to copy the event name. I'll just come here and prompt, I'm organizing a LinkedIn event titled, and I'll paste the title name, getting started with tech and eye opener. I want you to write a concept note and agenda for the event. The speakers are beloved Adejiwe and Moses Nibichuku. Okay, so we have something like this, and I'll just say I'm organizing a LinkedIn event. This is the prompt actually. I want you to write a concept note and agenda for the event. The speakers are beloved Adejiwe and Moses Nibichuku. I'm going to prompt this, and having to prompt this, I have a concept note already with the agenda, and its speaker is looking great with an agenda. So I'll say write a description for this. So we have the whole event tailored out already. You can just use this to develop your events and the programs. Then coming back here, it says, are you intrigued by the world of technology but unsure where to start? Join us. And so I'm going to just copy this for my events description, and I'll copy that, and I'll come back to LinkedIn right here to paste it right here, and I'll paste it right here. So we have that pasted, and the speaker, I would tag myself, beloved Adejibe, and the Moses Nebechuku that will be speaking as well. So I'm going to do this, and we have this. Then I'm going to nest this. So having to nest this, and it says, what do you want to talk about? I'll now come back here. I'll say talk about the event. So, and I'll just say getting started with tech is not just another tech event, and I'll say summarize it, shorten this because it's too long, of course. I'll say shorten this, and let's see how it shortened it. So here we have getting started with tech. So let's do that, copy and come back here. Let's paste this. It says getting started with tech, an eye opener is your ticket to unlocking the world of technology. Join industry experts below for a virtual packed event with insights overcoming challenges with interactive sessions and networking opportunities. This event is perfect for beginners, and don't miss out, and register now for an empowering journey into the arts of tech. Okay, and all I have to do is just to send this out, and that's how to create events. So I'm going to input my hashtags. As you all know, I'll input my hashtags, Bill actions, and yeah, the major reason I'm using hashtags in all my posts is just for SEO, like for search engine optimization, so that it will be easier for search engines to track my posts with these hashtags. So that's why I use a single hashtags for my posts. So do remember to have a unique hashtag, just one, a unique hashtag for yourself. And yeah, I'm going to post the event. I'm going to post this, and that's how to create an event. Creating an event is as simple as that. You get to design the banner, you get to write the description, you get to write the concept notes, and yeah, we have remind invited speaker, send a message to speaker, and compose message, and I'll click on compose message to send a message to the speaker, the other speaker, or me as well, and it is one of the speakers, and I'm going to just send, hello, I would like to invite you as a speaker for the upcoming event, and I'll send that straight away. I'll send it to the person, and the person will receive the message. And here we have the events, and to promote this event is very easy on LinkedIn. You can easily promote these events. How do you promote these events? All you have to do is to click on share, and you invite people, you invite your followers. Then having to invite people, you can invite people based on location, company, school, and I just say Federal University of Technology, let's see, and it's going to show a lot of people in the Federal University of Technology that wants to like get started with tech. Then you click on this, and it's going to take them all. Then you'll be able to invite this set of people. It selected 50 users, and you can invite these 50 users, or you can invite more than that by going deeper and deeper and trying to invite more people. So I'm going to just go down, and here it is, and I'm going to click on here. So these are 99 people. I was able to invite 99 people, so I'll just invite them, and having to invite them, it's going to invite these people to the event. And promoting your event is as simple as that, and you see how this gets to grow. You can add it to your calendar, and you can check the analytics of the events by the time people start engaging with it. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about LinkedIn optimization and profile branding. I hope to see you there.